What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video, I have another amazing HomeGoods haul. I'm also going to incorporate some really nice finds that I have found from Michael's for the holiday season. If you're looking to decorate your home or add some accessories, there are some really great items out there from Michael's and HomeGoods. So if you're interested in seeing this shop with me and haul of everything amazing from HomeGoods and Michael's, then just keep watching. All right, you guys, before we get into the video, I want to thank Anna Louise for sponsoring this video. You guys know that I love their jewelry. I wear them all the time. This ring set I am obsessed with. This is the Adriana ring set. I love that you can wear them separately or together. I'm also really loving these earrings. The fact that even when I was putting them on, I realized that you can unhook them. You can take this texture piece out and just wear them as a super simple earring. So the fact that so many of their pieces are so diverse and how you can wear them makes them so much more valuable. I also love this necklace. You guys know I'm always wearing my mama necklace, and this one is super simple, really thin, but it feels very heavy and high quality. I love that about their pieces. I've never had any issues with tarnishing or breaking, and I usually wear them even to bed. So if you're looking for something that's a great gift for the holiday season or something to wear to maybe a holiday party, then I would definitely recommend looking at their pieces. They are having some amazing holiday sales as well. I will leave everything linked in the description box down below for you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, you guys, we are starting off with this garland. I absolutely love that I found this. I have really been enjoying mixing them together. So if you've seen my previous posts and videos on my Instagram, then you have seen the details of this previous one that I found from Michael's. And it's nice, but it's a little bit thin, which would be, I think, great for some sort of a console table. But I did want to add in some thickness, and I was able to find this really gorgeous garland. They have so many to choose from. I cannot believe I like all of a sudden have found this influx of garland at Homegoods. So if you are still looking for garland, it is not too late. This is gorgeous. It does come, some of them with pine cones, some of them with these gold beads. I did cut most of those out. You can also cut those out if you want them plain. They have some with twinkle lights. They just have so many different types to choose from, but I love how it's fluffy and it feels so real. They also had one that was a little bit more expensive, around $79. So really good deal for having really real looking garland. So I just merged the two together, attached them with some command hooks, and this is what it's looking like. I really love the way that it turned out, and I love how it gives it a lot more of a full look. I also really don't mind the thinness of this one because I feel like it gives it a little bit of that draped our house look, if that makes sense. So as far as how I laid it out, I just started at this corner, did my hooks around, and then brought it all the way down here. Ideally, I would love for this to have a little bit of a tail, but I can always use the other strand that I got for next year. So this is only one strand of the new garland, 2 strands of the old garland, and that is how I got this look. So if you were in HomeGoods, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, don't forget to check out the garland section because you guys, this really is amazing quality, and I'm so glad that I picked it up. $35.99. I also want to point out that this mirror just became available again in store. I did see it at a couple of locations. So if you're looking for a really nice oversized mirror, I believe this is around $300 or $400 maybe, and it is a 6-foot mirror, really beautiful. Again, another alternative for the Anthropologie or Our House dupe. So I will see what I can find on the website and link it below. Next up, I want to talk to you about this amazing little Beetlejuice side table that I was able to find online from HomeGoods. This is by the brand, it just says designed and crafted in India. So it doesn't have the exact brand, but it was, I believe, around $100. I really love how it is that black and white colorway. I think that that's really gorgeous and a really nice cream and black color. So it's not going to be a stark white. It's definitely going to be that cream and black color, but very simplistic. So if you were looking for something like this for your home, I would definitely recommend checking this out online. They have so many good things on their website. If you didn't know, HomeGoods is available now online. It doesn't have as many things as it would in the store, but I feel like every day it is getting better and better. I'm not sure where I'm going to place this, but I just love it, and I wanted to try it out to see what it was like in person. It's a really great size around and as far as height goes, so I will see if I can find it, and if it's still available online, I will link it below for you guys. I really love the finish of this. It's not matte, but it's not shiny. It's very simple, clean lines, and a little bit more on the modern side. So let me know what you guys think of this side table. Next up, we're talking about pillows. That's right, I have managed to find more of them, and I absolutely am obsessed with this. I think that the little neutral cream and black textural kind of combo I have going on is super fun and really nice because it's monochromatic in a way, but it's also really full of texture. So this one I talked about before. I got it on clearance. It is woven leather and I love it. I just need to do a little bit of a fix over here, as you can see, connecting these back together, which I think would be super simple. I just need to find the time to do it. This one I also got on clearance. I love that it's got like these really nice thick stripes sewn into it. And then this new beauty is a gorgeous, full of texture and tons of different colorways. As you can see up close in the linen, woven into it with this beautiful gold and black stripe down the middle, which is velvet. So you've got velvet, you've got linen, you've got gold, black, and tons of different components of colors in this linen, and I think it's just beautiful. It was not on sale, but fairly priced, I believe around $30 or $39. No, maybe around $30, either $30 or $35. So I think fair as far as price goes, but I love how this looks together. I think this is a really nice combo. Again, you're getting that monochromatic neutral moment, but you're still getting different shades of beige and different textures of black. So if you love pillows as much as I do, do not forget to check out the pillows as well as the clearance section of pillows, because HomeGoods always has really good scores as far as that goes. I also threw in, just for the holiday season, a much thicker, heavier blanket, which is like a weighted blanket that's nice and woven, just to give it that nice pop of black color. So I think during the holidays, if you wanted to throw in some color or festive blankets, it's a really good way to incorporate some dimension and color in your decor. So I will see, of course, what they have available online, and if they are available, I will link them in the description box down below. Next up, I wanted to talk about these multi-use stackable drawers. I love these, and I love how large these are. I found these at TJ Maxx for $16.99, and I think they are perfect. You know, I love using anything organizational to organize my items in my home, bathroom, laundry room, all of that. And you have seen so many different versions of these, I'm sure. The ones from Amazon that are super cute and small to go underneath the sink in the kitchen for your dish pods and all of that. And then I'd see the medium-sized ones from Walmart, which are from the Home Edit line. And then these definitely are a large size. I would say they're about, it says right here, 13.75 by 9 by 5. So they're definitely a really good, nice, oversized size. As you can see, I have all of my DIY items, paint items, brushes, all of that inside. And because they are clear, you can see every single thing that you have in here and anything that you need, and keep everything organized and visible, which I love. And they're only $16.99. I have also seen these at HomeGoods, Marshall's, every single location. I don't know if it's just like a thing that they're getting an influx in of right now, but I love the size of them, and I love that they stack. A really nice seamless touch. You could also use these for socks, bras, anything like that in a closet. So I, of course, will see what is available online and link it in the description box down below. I also wanted to show you this really nice book that I was able to score from HomeGoods. I love the texture on the front. This is just an about time, fashion, and duration book, but it's got really, really beautiful texture. It reminds me a lot of that oversized Alexander McQueen book. But this one had a price tag of $19.99. Have you ever seen a book this big for that great of a price? I have not, so I decided to snag it because you know there is nothing better than an affordable book for the use of decor. So if you need an oversized book, definitely look for this one because it is absolutely massive. I would say about 14, 15 inches long, and really nice and wide, so you can stack decor on top of here. You can use it for a coffee table book to just leave open with pictures inside, but for 19 bucks, I think that was a really good deal. I also wanted to show you the other two strands that I got. These do include lights, which I think is amazing. As you can see here, you just click the little button to test. So they have these little like fairy lights that are all throughout them, and look at how beautiful and real these look. I cannot get over it. They do have the little loop at the end for you to hang them on a mantle, and they are $39.99. These ones in specific are from the brand Aspen, and they are 9 feet long. So they are pre-lit, real touch, 9-foot garland, $39. I don't think that's a bad deal at all, especially because it comes with the lights, which are battery operated. So if you want to turn them on, you can. If you want to take them off, you can. I just love the customization of these as well because they are plain. So if you wanted to add in your cranberries, pine cones, gold beads, any of that, you can. And if you want to leave them plain and more simplistic, you can do that as well. So for $80, you are getting 18 feet of garland, which is enough to do an entire house. So definitely do not skimp out on the garland at HomeGoods. I know a ton of you were talking about the garland at Kirkland's, which is amazing, but number one, it's sold out, and number two, I feel like this is a really, really good deal because it does come with the lights. It's available in store. You don't have to worry about it coming and going out of stock. So check your local HomeGoods. I will check online and see what I can find as well. And let me know what you guys score because this is a really, really good deal. Next up, we have these beauties from Michaels. These are the beautiful 14 or 12-inch Nutcrackers. These were on super sale and I love them. I spray painted them black and put them on my console. They come in a couple of different variations of how they stand and what they hold, but I think these are a great added touch if you want some holiday decor that is a bold color. These come in a natural wood so you can paint them any color you like. I do have to do a little touch up though to his swirly top. It's so hard to see sometimes when you're spray painting. You definitely have to take your time, but I love that. So for 14 bucks, you can spray paint them and you have a really cute, simplistic, modern look that still looks like it's decor, but is also tying in with that holiday theme. And if you don't like wood and you do like ceramic, then definitely keep your eyes peeled for these bad boys that I found from HomeGoods. They are a white ceramic Nutcracker, and I think they're another really cute option to, again, incorporate decor with blending in the holiday theme without being too over the top and keeping it simple and neutral. Again, this isn't everyone's jam, but if it is yours, then here's an idea of how you can decorate for the holidays that's simple, neutral, and cute. Again, incorporating something that I picked up from Michaels. I just have to show you guys because it's super new and I'm super excited about it. They have these beautiful gold and red and black and white houndstooth bowls that I think look so cute on top of the plate set and the placemat. You guys, they have so many good items at Michaels. Look how beautiful these placemats or chargers are. They're like a faux Christmas holiday stem, and they were only $5 because they were 50% off. So if you are looking for something, again, to decorate during the holidays that is not going to break the bank, then definitely check out Michaels. They're having such a good sale, and I think that this just is a super cute, simplistic look to the table for the holiday season. And as always, I will link these in the description box down below, as well as everything else for this video. And don't forget to check out the Ana Luis jewelry, especially with their holiday sales. It is going to be a great gift for the holiday season. All right, you guys, that is gonna wrap up this video. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will leave everything I can linked in the description box down below. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.